kayo. Sobrang na-busy ako, sorry. Everyday kasi ako may ganap eh. Tapos wala signal pala sa loob ng kwarto, hindi ako nakapag-live. Ay, dito ako ngayon sa living room. Mastermind! Thank you! Hi, 700 viewers! Hala, tulog yan.
Me too.
Hi!
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Zach!
How was your day today? What'd you do?
It's okay. We're just at a nearby resort. Yeah.
A resort?
Yeah. I'm late, actually.
You're late?
Yeah.
But, do you have anything planned? Anything, did you do, I'm sure, you might crush it, but you deserve it. You deserve it.
Thank you. Let's go, guys. Vote na kayo, Live Fest. Community.
I'll let you talk to your chat. I know you just got on.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sma. Hello, guys. Nagpanic. Ano kasi yung song? Acapella na lang muna tayo ngayon. Hindi ako makapag-set up. Wala kasi internet dito. Chicle, thank you. Uy, sa mga magpapa-birthday po dyan, salamat agad. Request na kayo. Ate Steffi, Monster Mind. Baka may maka-request kayong song.
Go, baby.
Peng, Mama J, halika na. Dito na kayo. D, thank you D sa mga greetings po. Mika. Sige, anong song? Mamaya tayo mag-happy birthday pag malapit na mag-12. Kantahan muna tayo, chill muna. Monster Mind, thank you sa vote. Steffi, Rose, Ann. Hanggang July 7 na lang to. Tama-tama. Buti nag-live ako ngayon. Thank you, Peng. Ate ko, Bianca. From this moment. Sige. Mag-from this moment muna tayo. Sorry guys, walang internet. Naloloko na ako. Mapapanot na ako. Walang wifi dito. Ang hirap. At ang hirap. Christine Reyes, Ma'am D! Ma'am Divina, hindi po Ricey lang po ito from Bacoor City. Ang mini-miss you. Guys, birthday ko. Happy birthday to me. Sir Chris! I wish you were here. Ma'am Divina, sana nandito po kayo. From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, thank you po. You are the one. Right beside you is where I belong. Sir Chris, thank you. From this moment on, Monster Mind, Mom Divina. From this moment, I have been blessed. I live only. Boss Chris, thank you sa lahat po ng mga bumabati. Sana nandito si Boss Chris, oh. Ate Che, Ma'am Divina. Moments on, I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start. You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give. From this moment on. Hala, grabe! Sila Mama Jem, Ma'am Divina, dito Sir Chris! Good evening po! Sana nandito po kayo lahat. Kaso mga busy po kasi sila. Monster Mind, thank you! You're the reason I believe you po! From this, TikTok Universe! As long as I live, I will love you. Thank you, Boss Chris. I promise you this. There is nothing I wouldn't give. From this moment, I will love you. As long as I live. From this moment Hala! Sir Chris, thank you so much po. Grabe, TikTok Universe, guys. Happy birthday! Salamat po. Grabe naman kayo. Monster Mind, thank you. Ma'am Divina, sa lahat po ng mga nandito. Shout out po sa lahat ng mga Team Ricey, Ate Che, D, Steffi, Ma'am Divina, Donna, Team. Salamat po. Sir Chris, kahit hindi po kayo nakapunta, grabe po. Nandito po kayo sa live ko. Maraming salamat po. At sa pa-birthday, TikTok Universe. Thank you so much po. Ate D.A. Shopper. Pag may mga request po kayo, please let me know. Later, magbo-blow tayo ng cake. Oo. Sige. Salamat po, Ate Pao. Hello, welcome. Ma'am Divina, Sir Chris, thank you po talaga. Sobra po. For your support. At sa lahat po ng mga Team Ricey ko na nagsusupport sa akin ever since. For 10 months. Thank you. Sige, kantahan po muna tayo. Ate Che! Later now and all the world is sleeping, I stay up and think of you. Thank you, and I wish on a star that somewhere you are thinking of me too. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow, and I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Sorry, acapella lang po. Wala pong signal. Wonder if you ever see me, and I wonder if you know I'm there. Hello, ano yun? If you look so great, would you see what's inside? Would you even care? Hello, screenshot! Boss Chris! I just wanna hold you close. Thank you po. So far, all I have are dreams of you. Ma'am Divina, teacher, thank you. Sir Chris. Hala, nagulat po ako. Nandito si Boss Chris. Thank you po. Yes, I do. I'll be dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow, and I'll be holding you tight, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming about you and me. Hello, daily 40 na tayo. Boss Chris, thank you so much po. Ate Chenny na Ma'am Divina, Shopper, Ate D.A., sa lahat po ng mga nandito. Salamat po sa pagpunta sa birthday ko kahit virtual lang po. Thank you po. Let's go, Daily 14. Welcome po. Later now and all the world is sleeping, I stay up and think of you, and I still can't believe that you came up to me and said I love you. I love you too. I'll be dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. And for all the night, and there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room, dreaming with you endlessly. Hala, Sir Chris, ang dami. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Number 30 na tayo, guys. And there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be than here in my room. I'll be dreaming of you. Salamat po, grabe. Sir Chris, Ate Che, Ate DA, Sir Solid Snake Zen.